Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach a new topic, uses of oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Student, you know all these things are the non-metals. And you know the definition of non-metals? Non-metal accept the electron and contain negative charge except hydrogen. So first we student discuss about the oxygen. What is the oxygen? So student, oxygen is a life supporting gas. Means without oxygen it is not possible to survive. It is required for the respiration. Means all the living being, animals, human, insect, all the animals take oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. And student, you know the fishes and aquatic life. Aquatic life means the living being who survive in the water. They also take oxygen. How? From the water. Water contain the dissolved oxygen. Okay. So here the some uses of the oxygen. So student, liquid oxygen. Liquid oxygen is used as a rocket propellant. It contains liquid oxygen because you know without oxygen it is not possible to burn engines. Okay. And second thing, the mixture of oxygen and acetylene. The mixture of oxygen and acetylene gas we use for welding and cutting metals. Because when oxygen and acetylene both mix up together, it releases about the very high temperature, and that temperature we use to cut any. You see this student, in the welding or cutting metals we use the oxyacetylene flame. And next one, oxygen is used in the manufacture of many compounds. You know student, you see many compounds that contain the oxygen. Okay, like sulfuric acid, H2SO4, it contains the oxygen. See, like carbon dioxide, it contains oxygen. H2O, it contains oxygen. Calcium oxide, it contains oxygen. Means for the manufacture of compound contain oxygen, we use to make such type of compound. And student, the pure oxygen is used in the steel factory. We use. Okay, student. The next one is the nitrogen. What is the nitrogen? Student, nitrogen is essential for growth of plant and animals. Means all the growth of plant animals we use nitrogen. It is used as a compound to make protein. Student, protein. What is the use of protein? Protein is the compound which are essential for the growth of our cell. You know cell? C-E-L-L. Our body made by cell. So such cell made by protein. And you know student, cell join together from the tissues, tissue from the organ, and organ make one body. Means the cell made by protein. So student, that's why the nitrogen used to make protein, which are building block of life. It is used to manufacture ammonia and nitric acid. You know student, ammonia? Ammonia used to make a fertilizer, urea. And you know student, urea play a very important role to grow any crops. You see student, in any crops we use urea because urea contain nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is used as a cooling agent in the refrigeration industries. Student, the human blood, human tissues, they store in the hospital. How? In the liquid oxygen. Because nitrogen is neutralize the function of oxygen and save the tissues and blood. That's why liquid nitrogen is used to save blood and tissues. Okay. Nitrogen is generally non-reactive. Means it neutralizes the reaction of oxygen. Okay, that's why we use nitrogen as a neutralizing agent, and it is used in the food industries to prevent spoilage of food item. You see student, what we purchase, the chips, kurkure, any food pack item. You see, if you purchase 5 rupees one kurkure, the packet filled with the gas. You know such gas? Such gas is the nitrogen. Such gas is nitrogen because nitrogen neutralizes the action of oxygen. Okay, and it is used in the metal industries for welding and soldering. Okay, student. Next one is the sulfur. So student, sulfur is the soft, yellow solid at the room temperature, and it is brittle solid. Brittle solid means if you hammer, it breaks into the small pieces without breaking. Okay. It is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Sulfur is used an important raw material in the manufacture of sulfuric acid, and it is used in making paper, insecticide and fungicide. Sulfur powder is used as a fungicide in skin care, soap and ointment. So student, these are the some uses of sulfur. So student, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur is important for our life. Okay. So student, the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.